Step 1. Preparing for installation. Before installation, go to the settings and adjust the steering wheel to the farthest and lowest position. This will create enough space for mounting the bracket. Remove the 3 meters adhesive cover and attach the bracket to the slopped part. Do not place it too low, as the steering wheel may hit the bracket when retracting. Align the bracket properly and press firmly to secure it. Clean the surface before sticking to ensure a strong hold. Step 2. Hiding the cables. Guide the cable from the steering wheel area. Use a prying tool to slightly open the gap between the trim panels. Tuck the cable inside the gap and continue routing along the trim. Ensure any loose cable is fully concealed. Leave a small portion of the cable visible in this area. It will not be noticeable in daily use. Route the cable through the gap above the wireless charging panel. If it's hard to push in, use the prying tool to assist. Continue routing until the cable reaches the corner. Tuck the remaining cable inside the trim gap. If the space is tight, use a prying tool to lift it slightly before inserting the cable. Step 3. Finalizing the installation. Secure the cable at the rear corner and guide any extra cable along the edge. Insert the Type-C plug into the original vehicle port. Now, everything is neatly set up and ready to use.